This video is an overview of the Eisenhower Matrix, a decision-making tool created by former US President Dwight D. Eisenhower. In this video, I will explain what the Eisenhower Matrix is and how it can help you manage your tasks and activities more efficiently. I will cover the 4 quadrants of the Eisenhower Matrix, how to use it to prioritize tasks, and the benefits of using the Eisenhower Matrix. This video is perfect for anyone looking to gain a better understanding of the Eisenhower Matrix and how it can help them manage their tasks and activities more efficiently. Hello everyone, my name is Earl Charles and welcome to this video about the Eisenhower Matrix. In this video I will be talking about the Eisenhower Matrix and how it can help you manage your tasks and activities more efficiently. What is the Eisenhower Matrix? The Eisenhower Matrix, also known as the Eisenhower Box or the Urgent Important Matrix, is a decision-making tool created by former US President Dwight D. Eisenhower. It is used to help prioritize tasks and activities based on their urgency and importance. How to use the Eisenhower Matrix? The Eisenhower Matrix consists of 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, Urgent and Important. Tasks in this quadrant are tasks that must be completed immediately and are of high importance. These are tasks that can have severe consequences if not completed on time. Examples of urgent and important tasks include putting out a fire, responding to an emergency, or preparing for an important meeting. Quadrant 2, not urgent but important. Tasks in this quadrant are tasks that are important but do not need to be completed immediately. These are tasks that will have a positive long-term impact on your goals and objectives. Examples of not urgent but important tasks include planning for the future, networking, and investing in yourself. Quadrant 3, urgent but not important. Tasks in this quadrant are tasks that are urgent but not important. These are tasks that can consume a lot of time and energy but do not contribute to the achievement of your goals and objectives. Examples of urgent but not important tasks include distractions, procrastination, and responding to emails. Quadrant 4, not urgent and not important. Tasks in this quadrant are tasks that are neither urgent nor important. These are tasks that are a waste of time and should be avoided. Examples of not urgent and not important tasks include gossiping, watching television, and browsing social media. Benefits of using the Eisenhower Matrix. Using the Eisenhower Matrix can help you manage your tasks and activities more efficiently. It can help you identify tasks that are important to your goals and objectives, and prioritize them accordingly. It can also help you identify tasks that are not important and should be avoided. As a result, you will be able to focus your time and energy on tasks that will have a positive impact on your life and career. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Eisenhower Matrix is a useful tool for managing tasks and activities more efficiently. It can help you identify tasks that are important and prioritize them accordingly. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding how the Eisenhower Matrix can help you manage your tasks and activities more efficiently. Thanks for watching. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth. Subscribe now and start your journey towards success.